Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, so first of all, Aries, I would like to see your current energies. Okay, I'll check your current energies and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your reading. Okay. So this side I'm going to see your energies, this side I'm going to see your partner's energies. So we'll discuss first about your current energy. So we have Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Aries, I feel that you are, you want to take certain step, or you want to start something new in your life. Okay, maybe you want to shift your career, maybe you want to switch your career, maybe you want to change your location. Okay, maybe you want to start some new business. Okay, so whatever it is, you are you are someone who is taking your own time to think about that particular thing. Okay, which is related to your money thing, which is related to your material growth. Okay, and I'm seeing that you are standing on a high top. Okay, and you are seeing all the you are seeing the people around you, you are seeing the locations around you. You are somebody who is searching a lot of things. Okay, maybe you are exploring so many things at right now, maybe in terms of your career, in terms of your finances. Maybe you are uh, just applying for so many jobs. Okay, maybe you are seeing that where you can go for your job thing. Maybe some of you wants to move from your current country to some other country. So maybe you are seeing so many options. Okay, so that which country is going to be best for you. Okay, so you are just taking your time to take decision on something or about something. Okay, which is related to your money, finances, career goals. Okay, this horse is not moving anywhere. Okay, it means that this person wants is this person, which is you are at some place where from where you can see all the things which is happening. You are not doing anything, you are not taking any actions as of now. You are just observing things. Okay. Now Aries, this is your person's energy. Let's see what your person's current energy is. We have Judgment card. I feel Aries, that your person is going through some kind of a transformation. Maybe there is some kind of a spiritual awakening is going on at their end. Okay, maybe they are, it also happens that they are someone who has cut the communication from the outer world. They are more into their own energies. Okay, they are introspecting their own thoughts. Okay, they just want to know what is there for them in life. Okay, they are someone who is genuinely looking for their mental growth now. Okay, their mental expansion, their spiritual expansion, spiritual growth. Okay, so right now, or as of now, they are not dealing with anybody. Okay, in terms of material things or something like that. I'm seeing that they are into some kind of uh, introspection. Some introspection is going on within their heart. Okay, maybe they are just searching for the highest purpose of their life. What is there for them in this life, why they are in this world. Okay. Okay, so these were your and your partner's current energy. Now we'll see how you see your person in this relationship and how your person sees you in this relationship. Okay. Exactly what I just said. You feel about your person with the Seven of Swords that they are, moving out from something. Okay. As I told you that they are into some kind of an introspection thing. Maybe they are, just searching their true meaning in life. They are just searching what is there for them in life. Okay. They are, some spiritual awakening is going on in their life, and you also feel that your person is, maybe they have not told you this thing, that whatever they are going through in life right now. Okay, but you feel that your person is moving out from this relationship, even though they are not, but you feel that they are ignoring you. Okay, you feel that they just want to be out from this relationship. Okay, they are moving out. Okay, they are moving away from this relationship, and they are kind of very happy. But it is not that they want to break up with you or they want to end this relationship. I'm feeling that it is just because they are into their own mind, they are into their own energies right now. They just want to explore what is there for them in life, what is their highest purpose in life, why God has sent them here. Okay, so they are into their own energies, they are not with anybody else, they are not going to break up with you. Okay, but you, maybe they have not told you because certain things are, we cannot explain to anyone. Okay, so maybe they are going through that phase. Okay, they want to tell you, but they are unable to express their emotions. Okay, so that's why they have felt that, oh, it's okay, I'll be quiet for some time, then I'll get back, then I'll come back. Okay, but you feel that, that your person does not want to be in this relationship with the Seven of Swords. Okay, you feel that they are moving out from this relationship. Okay, okay, with the Page of Pentacles. Again, same, I told you that you are someone who wants to start something new in terms of your career or finances and goals. Your person also feels in the same manner that you want to start something new in terms of your job, in terms of your career, in terms of your goals. Okay, with the Page of Pentacles, they feel that you have a lot of capacity, a lot of abilities, you are capable enough to, to make wonders in life. Okay, in terms of material, in terms of finances, in terms of career or goal. Okay, they feel that you have the caliber to, start something new in terms of business, in terms of new job. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's see how you feel in this relationship, or how you see this relationship. And oh my god, oh my god, we have Wheel of Fortune. Okay, you see yourself in this relationship as in someone who is very defensive. Okay, you feel that if I mean you feel that if your person is not reaching out to you, if they are not talking to you, so you are somebody who is waiting for their confirmation. Okay, you are not going to end this relationship at this point of time. Okay, maybe you are waiting for their confirmation, what they want from this relationship, what they want from you, what they want from your union. Okay, so you are not the one who is going to give up in this relationship. Rather, I'm seeing you as a warrior. Okay, you are fighting for your love. Okay, you are fighting for their for for this relationship. Okay, because somewhere deep down in your heart you feel that if your person didn't tell you that they are moving out, or maybe they are kind of, they want to break up with you, or they just want to be out, or they don't want to be with you anymore, so you are being warrior in this relationship. You are feeling like a warrior, that it's okay if they are not conveying or confronting their emotions right now. Maybe they must be busy somewhere. Okay, so you feel that now it's my responsibility to save my relationship, so you are fighting for your love. Okay, okay. Wheel of Fortune, I have nothing to say beyond that, because this person with whom you are, I mean, whoever is this, okay, with whom you are dealing with, this person feels this relationship as their lucky charm. Okay, this person has felt that you are the one for them. Okay, they feel that you are the best thing happened with them, okay, in the entire life. So they see you as their lucky charm, okay. They feel complete with you, they feel good luck with you, they feel that you are their good time, okay. Yes, maybe this is not the right time for you to connect as of right now, because they are into some kind of a spiritual journey, okay. But once the time will be correct, okay, once the time will be correct, you guys are going to make it a big, big achievement, big success. This relationship is going to be the biggest success of your life, okay. Okay, let's see what is the future potential. Okay, we have Three of Wands, Five of Cups. So Aries, with these two cards, I feel that you must have, I mean, in future you are definitely going to take action, okay, about something. I feel Aries, it's your person who is waiting for you from a distance, and it's you who is being sad, because I feel that in future as well they are not going to communicate with you, okay. Maybe they'll take some more time to come forward and talk to you, okay. But it doesn't mean that they are not seeing you, they are seeing you from a distance, okay. But there is a huge gap between you and them emotionally, there is a huge gap, okay. They are seeing you from a distance, okay. If you are not talking with them in on love and relationship terms, but still they know what is happening within your life, okay. They know what emotions you are going through right now, okay. They are seeing you from a distance, and it's you who is being really sad, I don't know why. You are being regretful. Maybe maybe eventually you'll get to know that your person is the one who loves you so much, okay. So maybe you feel that, okay, it was my mistake that I misunderstood them. So you you must be feeling sad about it, okay. And the worst part is going to be that you are not seeing behind what is there for you. Maybe it's your person who's calling you, maybe it's your person's proposals to you, okay. All you need to do is to cross this bridge, okay. Everything will be fine, but you need to take action now. Okay. Hmm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. So as I told you that there is some kind of a transformation is going on with this Ten of Swords card. There is a transformation is going on, or transformation has been done, okay. Maybe your person is going to be out from this energy very soon, okay. And maybe if they are, emotionally they are, if they are very, there is a distance between you and them, there is a emotional gap between you and them, they are coming towards you, to offer you something, okay. And I'm seeing that some reunion, I mean, there is a chance of reunion as well with the Six of Cups card, okay. So all you need to do is be patient, okay. Be calm, be cool. They are definitely going to come forward and meet you, and that's for sure, okay. Okay, so Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius air sign, okay, with this Seven of Swords, Page of Swords, Ten of Swords, Six of Swords. Oh my god, so many swords we have. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. We have water sign in this reading with this 5 of cups, 6 of cups. Okay, we have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this 3 of wands. Okay, so that was the reading for the sign Aries. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.